So the camera quality is really sucky right now. I don't know why. But it's raining outside. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see, but it's raining, which is kind of ironic because I was gonna do a kind of like a tan with me video. It's raining outside video. So I'm gonna go get better footage of the rain. Toodaloo. This is what a TV apparently looks like when there's a thunderstorm. No audio and video because there's a thunderstorm. Apparently it's a severe thunderstorm. So it's raining. Gonna get my umbrella out if I can do it. Okay, it's really hard with the camera in your hand. Oh, is there like a button I have to press? Oh, here we are. Camera, gonna go brave the storm now. Okay, so this is me, hand on the knob. It's thunderstorming outside. That was me just dropping my phone. No big deal. It's raining. I don't know if you can see the rain. Oh, wow. This is our drain post. That's always nice, right? Rain's coming in from this way. It's storming. I could get electrocuted. Just want to point that out. Very good. I'm barefoot. So, I'm standing out in the rain right now. Under my umbrella. Yeah, my phone just got a little wet. It's raining. It's thundering. Could probably die. It's starting to get worse. Like I showed you earlier, I'm barefoot. That's just how I roll. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining. Can you see that? That's my umbrella. Rain. It's raining, it's pouring. Look at that. Oh, that little plant's gonna die if I don't move it. Oh, I just got some water on my backside. It's a little plant. It is storming. Look at that. Woo! My phone is getting wet. The sky is actually not that dark. You should probably not be doing this. So I probably shouldn't be out here. Ooh, let's see if I can take a... It's raining. And then I'm out here. Let's see if you can see in the background. I'm getting wet. Not a good umbrella. See that? See that rain? It's raining pretty... It's not the rain. Let's go walk by this tree and walk under it and be safe and warm. And I'm gonna go by a tree. Oh, look at that! Look at that tree in a thunderstorm. Ooh, this one's kind of tricky. Drip, drip, drip. Tree, tree, tree. So, I'm currently residing under a tree. It's a small little tree. Just got water on my phone. Yeah, it's a thunderstorm. You shouldn't be outside in a thunderstorm, but I'm a rebel. A daredevil rebel. But I'm gonna jump into the puddle for you. Okay, walk into the puddle. End of my driveway. I don't know how to record this. Yep. Did you see that? I jumped in the puddle for you guys. Yeah, I cannot stress this enough. I should not be doing this. You should not be outside in a puddle when it's thunder and storming out and thunder going, lightning flashing. Sky's really light though. I'll show you. See? It's really light. There's not really tree. I'm getting wet. So, you wash my feet, walk back into the house. Oh, I'm walking on grass. Oh, I don't know if the camera caught that, but it just lightened in. Oh, man, gotta try to do this umbrella stuff. So that was my crazy little adventure out into a thunderstorm. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to. Yeah, thanks for watching. Went out into a thunderstorm. Pretty cool. Don't do it though. It's not safe. I do not recommend it. I'm just a rebel and a daredevil, like I said. Bye.